In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add Google AdSense to show ads on your website. So the first thing you want to do is create a Google AdSense account. You want to go to adsense.google.com and sign up. Here you're going to need to log in with your Google account or create an account if you don't have one, right? Now I already have an account, so I'm going to sign into my existing account and show you the remaining steps. So this is what your Google AdSense will look like once you have linked an account. So what you're going to do is go to Sites, select Add New Site, enter your website's address, and then you're going to copy this code and add it to your website. Now go to your HostGator or whichever hosting platform that you have your website on, right? You want to go to your WordPress admin or wherever you would make changes to your website on whichever hosting platform you're using. So here you're going to go to Appearance and select Theme Editor. Yes, I understand. What you want to look for is the header.php file. Then you're going to scroll down, and just before you see this head tag, right, at the beginning of the line, it enters so you get some space, and then you're going to paste the Google AdSense link or script just above the head tag, right? So let me format this correctly, and then you're going to update the file. Now the next step is go back to Google AdSense and then select I place the code and then select verify. Now select OK. Now don't worry about this, you'll still need it, don't remove it as yet. So select add text.snippet and then copy this. Then go back to your theme editor. This time you're going to add plugins. Select add plugin and then search for ads.txt. Install the ad text manager, then select activate. Now scroll down and select settings and then select ads.txt. Here you're going to paste the code that you copied from Google and then select save changes. Now let's go back to Google AdSense, then select verify, and your site is now verified. Now select next and then request a review. Now that's completed, so select the X to exit. Once your site is approved, it will be showing ready here. Now the next step would be to go to ads, then select the edit icon, and it is detecting the best place to show ads on your website. So here you want to enable auto ads and then select apply to site, then select save to apply now. Now one thing to note, ads will not be shown on your site until the approval status is ready. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.